Welcome to Sushmita's science class. Here, science will be made very interesting and easy. Now we are going to study about excretory system. Urine and sweat are the liquid waste product formed in our body. We have already studied that the sweat comes out from the pores in our skin and we excrete urine. That is, urine passes out from our body through excretory system. Excretory system helps to remove the waste product formed inside our body. It consists of a pair of kidneys, यानी 2 kidneys, 2 kidneys होते हैं, a urinary bladder, ये, and a pair of tubes called ureters, ये, and urethra. The process of removal of the waste products out from our body is called excretion. Now we will study about the functions. See, we all know that the kidney filters the blood. These 2 kidneys, one on each side, filters the blood and the waste material mixed with water forms the urine, and urine contains harmful waste products. ये जो 2 किडनी है ये हमारे ब्लड को फिल्टर करता है, जैसे छलनी होता है, बिल्कुल छलनी जैसे फिल्टर कर देता है, और जो वेस्ट मटेरियल होता है वो किडनी के अंदर रह जाता है. इसीलिए आप लोगों से कहा जाता है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा पानी पियो ताकि किडनी से सारे वेस्ट वॉश आउट हो जाए. तो वो वाटर जो है वो वेस्ट के साथ मिलकर हमारे बॉडी से बाहर आते हैं. तो किडनी क्या करता है, सारे वेस्ट को, हमारे बॉडी के वेस्ट को फिल्टर कर देता है. ये जो ट्यूब है ये आ रहा है, इसे कहते हैं यूरेटर. दोनों किडनी से एक एक ट्यूब आ रहे हैं, इसीलिए अ पेयर ऑफ ट्यूब्स. इनका काम क्या है, अ पेयर ऑफ यूरेटर्स carry urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. Now this urinary bladder stores urine which is passed out of the body through the urethra. So children, let's revise. What is excretory system? Excretory system is the organ system that helps in getting rid of wastes formed inside the body. What is excretion? The process of removal of waste from our body is called excretion. What are the functions of the kidneys? Formation of urine takes place in kidneys. Next, this pair of tube called ureter. Ureters carry urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder stores urine inside it till it is passed out through urethra, and this is the urethra that helps to pass urine out of the body. If you found the video useful, like, share and subscribe.